Hello and welcome. I wanted to just show you a quick video. This is really nothing that's in the lineup for the week, but some of you girls want to make your own prom dress, and I want you to know how easy it is to do that. You can start with a base from any dress. Any thing that really just has some stretch to it. If you want, you can order from AliExpress. You can order from Fashion Nova. All these dress sites that has really pretty dresses, and all you have to do is add a tulle bottom. So I want to kind of show you how easy it is to add a tulle bottom. Now, this is one. This isn't the one with the ruffles. This is just a straight tulle bottom. So what you're gonna do is, and like you see, I have cut my fabric out into it's a complete circle, and the circumference here is according to the leg. It's a 10 by 9. So the circumference is going to fit the leg, the inside of the leg. It's like a 36-inch wide. Let me see. Let me make sure, because I did it according to mine. Actually, it's a 34. So 35 for seam allowance I put in there. So what we're going to do is, and I don't know if you can see this, I have lines drawn, and the first one I did, I did them only about a ½ inch. Let me see. Let me give you the right. It's about 1 inch away from the top. Okay, and then from there I went down 2 inches. Every one is 2 inches. And all you got to do, you start at the top. Let me get your, and this is my tulle. The tulle is the length. It's about 54 inches long. And so you're going to just, you can always cut this. So it can be just this long. You don't have to cut it until you get it on. Then once you get it on, you can cut it down. But it's a 40 yard long boat. So that's what it is. So what I do is I start from the top, and the top part that is folded over, it's like a fold. You want to leave the open edge to the bottom. Okay, so what I do is I just start right there, just at some point right in there. Let me grab my pins. This isn't, I'm telling you, it's really easy to do. And actually, you can do this. I seen, I think it's Karen Gwynn. She did it with, no, it was someone else. I can't think. Caviona. I think I murdered her name. She did it with Gorilla Glue. So what you do is you just start pleating. And some people, what they do is they get it and they just ruffle it all the way down. Well, I'm going to pleat it, and I'm just actually going to start pleating it. I'm going to only put about 4 or 5 pins in here to get it going. And then I'm going to take it over to my machine and pleat from there. I can just pleat as I go all the way around. And when you get all the way back around to this circle here, then you're going to cut it. And then you're just going to start another row. And you just got to keep going down. And as full as you want it, that's what you do. Get it as full as you want it. There's no certain amount of circles. There's no limit on it. You can just do it as long as you want it. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on mine and kind of show you in between. I'm going to do this row. Then I'm going to start on my next row. And then I'll probably come back and show you what progress I've made from there. Okay. So I have what I did. As you can see, I have sewn down 2 rows. On the first one, I started off with just 2. I wanted it to be really nice and thick. So I stopped here at the second one, and now I'm going to show you what I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to cut this tulle straight down. I'm going to cut it straight down and start my other row. Okay, that's cut off. Now, see how full that's already getting to be? It's going to be really full. I think you do about 4 rows. It's going to be, man, you do 4 rows double. That might be enough. Might not have to do but 2. So now what I'm going to do is, since I started at the top, and that's what's important, start at the top, because all of this tulle is not going to go in your machine. So you start at the top, then you can, this is the only thing that have to go in the back where the arm is. Now you just start somewhere else and start going all the way around again. I'm going to double this one as well. So I'm going to start seeing how full this is going to get. We'll be right back. Okay, so I have my second row done, doubled. I did it doubled. And what I did was, as you can see, I did a contrasting fabric. I did a navy blue in there. So there's a navy blue under there as a contrast, because my dress, it's kind of got these colors. It's going to play off really good, those colors. So got that done, and it's really beginning to poof out really good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sew and see how it looks, another double row of the royal blue, and see what happens. And this should be done, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put this dress together. Just want to say real quick to the young girls who are spending all of this money on these dresses, it's just, I can't, you know, I really can't believe how much, thousands of dollars, and we're not really being wise about how we're spending our money. Yes, it is one day and all that, and you can make your own dress. You gotta stop this madness. This is too much on your parents. It's too much, and you're only wearing this dress once. You're not gonna sell it for that much. And I know girls who are still trying to sell their dresses from, like, you just aren't gonna get your money out of it. So think about that. And think about making your own. It's really simple, and it's a nice investment into yourself. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to try to attempt to show you what I am doing under the machine. As you can see, you see nothing but blue. But anyway, this is my edge that I am feeding into. So watch me fold that over. I fold over about 3 times, like that, and then I just sew that down. So as you can see, this is the second layer. Then fold over, fold over, fold over 3 times. That's giving me my gather. Sew down. Then I'm feeding that all the way around there. This is my last one because this is getting really big. Really big. So just make sure you are keeping your fabric from bunching in the bottom. Okay, just making sure you're and it's going to be a lot of back and forth, making sure you're looking under the fabric, making sure it's not bulging in different places. So 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm sewing right over that other one that I just did. This is going to be my last row. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do this all the way around one other time, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it's looking, and then we're going to get ready to add it on to our bodice, our dress. Okay, y'all, so look at all of this tulle. Oh my goodness, it is so big. But anyway, what I think, putting this whole thing together and all of that maybe took me an hour, probably an hour with cutting it out and all that. Well, I didn't have to cut it out, so about an hour and a half. And now all I got to do, because the bodice is already done, and I'm sure y'all seen the bodice already. I think I showed this to you guys. So this is the bodice that I am getting ready to add on here. So look at all that glitter and beam. So I'm going to go ahead and sew this on, and then I'm going to stand it up and let you see. The only thing I gotta do now is I can go around, and this is underneath. This is the lining underneath there, and I can kind of sew that, and it's just fold it over doubly and go all the way around. But basically, this dress is done. This bodice, it only took me probably 30 minutes. So 2 hours in all to do this dress. 2 hours. Stop spending all that money on these dresses. Please stop doing it. So, with all of this stuff, it wasn't that expensive. Some fabrics are costlier than others. This fabric was pretty costly. I spent some money on it because I wanted it to give it away. So I wanted to spend some good money on it. But it's just all in. Fabric is what takes your price up in custom. A lot of people are afraid of getting custom clothing done and all of that. I know I used to think it was really expensive, but my problem was I couldn't find anybody who would make clothes. I don't know. But now it's a trend. It's trending right now. It's on the rise. Younger people are doing it, and I'm really hoping that some of these girls invest in themselves this year. Make your own dress. You will feel so you'll feel so much better even wearing it. So make it yourself. God gifted your hands, and you know you can do this. It's not too hard. You see all these big gowns and they're huge, and you think, oh man, I can't do that. Don't say that. Everything is stitch by stitch. Everything is piece by piece. You can do it. So I'm gonna get this on here. Get it on the mannequin, get it sewn on, and get it on the mannequin and let you see it. Okay, I just wanted to show you something before I sew this up. The dress is tucked in here right sides to right sides. This is the outside of the dress. And so as you can see, I've pinned all the way around. And now what I'm getting ready to do is go to the sewing machine and sew this up. And your dress is connected. If you want to clean this up, you can sew binding over, or you can just do the roll method and roll that over. We'll see what we're going to do. So, be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Trying to, for some reason this camera is not giving me a poof look that it is. It's poofier than it's looking on the camera. I don't know. But this is the look. Let me try to move this around. Sorry about all of this. But, okay. Now, can y'all see that? Trying not to let y'all see my messy room. Look at that. And you can see the layer of blue under there. This came out really nice. Really nice. Oh. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So, that's the finished look. This one. And in all, I did this dress in about 2 hours. 2 hours. So, you can make your own prom dress. Or, if you want me to make it, I can make it. So, we're back. So, this is the finished look. And it came out absolutely beautiful. I am very pleased with the work and how it looks. This is a size 4 to 6. It can be altered. I don't like altering them, but it can be altered, and it cannot be graded up. It can only be graded down. So this dress, I'm not sure. This is the giveaway dress. This is one of the giveaway dresses that I am giving away. So the giveaway is going to be this Saturday, February the 29th. Everyone that has subscribed, liked, and shared my page, SewYou, SEWYOU, by CJ Couture, they will be eligible to win this dress. And it's another one in the mall at Burns Crossing. I'm going to put a picture of it in here as well. So I decided to give away 2 dresses because the sweet girl Memory, who is doing the giveaway for the proms, she how I ended up giving 2 is she stated that she's having a hard time finding plus size dresses. So the one in the mall is a size 14. It can be graded down, but it is a size 14. It's a halter top. It's made a little different than this one. So if you're interested in this giveaway, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And February 29th at 3 o'clock, we will be announcing the winner via Facebook, via your email, if you're not there at the giveaway. If you are there, then you'll be presented with the dress at that time. If you're not there and you're across country somewhere, like I said, I will ship this dress to you. We're going to do a raffle. We're going to do this. And I am so excited about this and these beautiful dresses. And mainly what I'm excited about is being a part of the effort to give away a prom dress. And also, like I was saying in this video, girls, you can create your own prom dress. You can do it. There's plenty of YouTube videos. If you need help from me, I will help you as much as I can and showing you how. If you were here in Mississippi, you could come by and I would show you how to create your beautiful prom dress, okay? So, like I said, please like, share, and subscribe to this page. Just wanted to get on real quick and let you know that the giveaway is this Saturday, February 29th. So please like, share, and subscribe so you can get your chance to win this dress. Thank you. Please, love, and blessings to you all.